and this is Swanson, principal here at Viking Elementary, and I'm so excited to bring you a quick construction update as our summer is quickly rolling along here. I'm joined by Paul, our project superintendent. Paul, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do here at Viking?
Hi, I'm Paul Amborn. I'm the project superintendent with Nexus Solutions, and my role is to coordinate with the contractors that are on work, mainly the foremen, and keep in daily touch with them. Answer questions when they come up and take questions to my project manager or designers as needed. A really important function of my job is to ensure that safety is being followed and that all safety protocols are happening. And I also document daily all the progress on the construction.
Great. And last summer, you transformed half our building, and you're back at it again with our second half. Can you kind of tell us some key highlights that you've been working on this summer?
Well, this summer we got an early start while school was still in session to demo areas that are going to become the new kitchen. And that enabled us to save a lot of time once school was out. So the new kitchen is about 90% complete. In fact, today we've got contractors on site that are installing the fluid applied flooring. It's an epoxy coating that will be in the kitchen. Also, we've got the electricians are upstairs starting to pull wire. Most of the rough-ins are done, mechanical rough-ins. Plumbing is in the wall for the new restrooms upstairs.
Thanks for sharing all those exciting updates. We're actually standing in our new cafeteria area right now. Can you tell us a little bit about those updates that you've done this summer?
In the cafe area, we've opened up, as you can see behind us, approximately a 44-foot by 55-foot area that used to be on the second floor, the LMC floor, and we took that out to make it a clear space all the way up to deck. The new steel for the stairs was delivered last week, and that's being installed right now, as well as some of the cloud ceilings that go up into the area.
Awesome, that's great. I know our classrooms are also being updated, which our students are probably super excited to get back to. Can you tell us a little bit about some of our classroom updates?
The classrooms are close to being painted. They're mostly sheetrocked. All the plumbing and electrical rough-ins are already in. The overhead plumbing and HVAC ductwork has been completed. So in the next week, we'll have most of those taped and jointed, and then we'll be painting and ceilings will follow.
Awesome, thanks for sharing, Paul. Are there any other exciting or major updates that you would like to share with our Viking families?
One thing that I'm really excited to see happening right now is the progress in the multipurpose room. The walls are being painted tomorrow, and the stage is being made right now where it's all formed up. We're going to pour the stage, so that is in place. And then the rubber flooring comes next week, and we'll have that installed.
Awesome, that'll be such a great space to use for our music programs and community. So we thank you so much, Paul, for all you've done and your team has done here to help transform Viking into this beautiful space. We look forward to giving you some more updates in the future, but that wraps up our update today. Have a great day.